Hi friends, welcome to From My Bookshelf, The Spice Room, one of my favorite books. It's my first book after MasterChef and I've got recipes from my travels from across the globe. Yes, one of my favorite recipes called RajMa Madra. That means kidney beans curry and it's an authentic recipe from Himachal Pradesh. You will love it. A few of my very favorite recipes are here. In Himachal, in the Bhandaras, you'll always find RajMa Madra. Heat ghee. Put garam masala and saute it for a second. And after this step, you will love it because the kitchen starts smelling of the garam masala that you've made. It's amazing. Put yogurt in it. Keep stirring until you get the first boil. This will help the yogurt not to split. The yogurt might split if the oil is at a very high temperature. So you need to add a little bit of water or you need to cool down the temperature of the oil. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. Put the kidney beans in and let it thicken. It'll thicken on its own because once you add kidney beans, it just makes the curry really creamy. I just love it. Cook a little further till you get the right consistency. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve it with boiled rice or lacha paratha. Yum! If you like the recipe, do like, share and subscribe.